Hello everyone, welcome back to the next video of functional programming. Remove elements from an array using slice instead of a splice. A common pattern while you working with arrays is when you want to remove items and keep the rest of the array. JavaScript offers the splice method for this, which takes argument for the index of where to start removing items, then the number of items to remove. If the second argument is not provided, the default is to remove items through the end. However, the splice method mutates the original array. It is called on. Here is an example. We have a cities array on which we apply a splice method, and we use third index and first one element. So it will remove London from here. Fourth element means since it's a start from 0th position, first position, second and third. Here a splice returns the string London and deletes it from the cities array. Cities will have Chicago, Delhi, Islamabad, Berlin. As we saw in the last challenge, the slice method does not mutate the original array, but returns a new one, which can be saved into a variable. Recall that the slice method takes two arguments for the indices to begin and end the slice. The end is non-inclusive and return those items in a new array. Using the slice method instead of a splice helps to avoid any array mutating side effects. Task for this challenge: rewrite the function non-mutating splice by using slice instead of a splice. It should limit the provided cities array to length of 3 and return a new array with only the first 3 items. Do not mutate the original array provided to the function. Then if we don't want to mutate, then we will use slice instead of a splice, and we will start from 0 to the third element. Let's run the test, and it's successful. Download my solution, and thanks everyone for watching. See you in the next video. Till then, bye bye.